Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 16th, 2020, and we're down here in the Hollow Garden, and we're going to be harvesting stuff out of here. And this here is a late patch of corn that was put in. It was put in about the middle of June, and it actually started tasseling before it even had the ears on. And then we had a microburst storm come through and it knocked it over. So we didn't think we were going to get anything off of it, but we're harvesting the ears off of it. And that's beautiful corn on there. Now, the top part never got pollinated. That's what happened to that. And that's what happens if you don't get proper pollination. You'll get spotty on your corn ears. So here's another one here. Now the ears aren't too big, but still nice for eating. And it's really sweet. It has a wonderful flavor to it. And you can see there's more ears hanging on here.
They don't all have ears because of their circumstances that happen.
So, not all of it gave, but the ones that did give are really nice. So if this would still be standing, you can see about how tall it would be, but it fell over. And microbursts can do that. When they go through corn patches or different things, they just level and flatten what's in sight. But I mean, we left it go hoping that it would do something, and it did, so we're happy about that.
Nothing to sell, but it's good to eat.
Yeah, it's not, you can't sell it, but it's still good to eat for eating.
Or make a corn chowder.
Well, that's beautiful. That's gotta be beautiful. That's stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty. This is the Providence Triple Sweet corn here. So what'd you find them?
Some has the knobbies.
Okay. Yeah, that happened from improper pollination, which, I mean, being everything that it went through, we're just, you know, happy that we got some off of it.
It'll still be good for corn chowder.
One here.
Thank you. Corn chowder, baby.
So we had this is what we got off here, and this will feed us for about 5 or 6 meals here. And we had a beautiful corn crop this year. Nothing got in our corn, which we were really happy about. Last year our corn crop was pretty much destroyed by critters. So really happy with the harvest that we got, and we're going to be harvesting some more stuff, so we'll be right back. And here's a little winter luxury pie pumpkin here, and this one here is done. Now you can see we have peppers hanging on. We're going to be harvesting peppers off, and there's some more peppers over here, and you can see peppers here down in the pepper patch. I can get to them here. See some red in there. Let's see what we got over here. Here's some sweet banana peppers. Some little mini peppers here. So we have a Pennsylvania Dutch heirloom duck pumpkin down there. We're getting the remainder of the tomatoes off here. So here's some more banana peppers. And here's some big red peppers here. And that's the name of this variety, is Big Red. And we have 30-degree temperatures coming. Our pepper plants are loaded with blossoms and blooms and peppers. So being that it's down in the hollow, I can't say what exactly is going to happen with them. It's too big to cover it with a frost cover. You can see these peppers here. This is a lipstick pepper here. These will turn red. They're not red yet. They're still ripening up for us. So let's see here. I'm going to get this one here off here. There we go. This one could have gotten a little greener. I'm sorry. This one could have gotten a little redder. I didn't see it from other side there, but these are the big red bell peppers here. Now this is an heirloom open pollinated pepper here. So we probably got about like 6 or 8 of these off of this stalk here, and they were about this size. So it's really a nice pepper. It's a blocky pepper, which is really nice. So let's see what else we got here. Here's another little mini pepper down here. Now we just did a big harvest off of these a few days ago, and we have those cut up and on cookie sheets in the freezer, freezing so that we can take them off then and put them in our sealing meal bags and put them in the freezer. These here are still green. They're not turning yet. Ah, there's one in there. These are the mini peppers here. Now these right here are Big Bertha bell peppers. And Big Bertha is a hybrid bell pepper. It's these aren't quite ready yet. They still got some green in them here. But this is a thinner walled pepper, but it's excellent for stuffed peppers. You can see here how long this thing here is. Now we're gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and these do very well for us here. So the redder you let your peppers get, the sweeter that they're going to get for sweet peppers. And we like our peppers really sweet, so we let ours go until they're red. Now with these cold temperatures coming, I'm not sure if we're going to let them on or not. If we do and it happens to frost, what we have to do is we have to get them off ASAP and put them in the freezer, or we'll lose all of them. So this is the Objerski peppers here, and we took 2 of them off here. Now these are a sweet pepper as well, and they look kind of like the lipstick pepper, but they're a little bit different. So this is what we got off today. Now like I said earlier, we got a whole bunch off, and we just came back down today to get some more of these off here. And here's some hot peppers here. Now I'm not going to touch those because they burn my skin if I do, so I don't mess with the hot peppers. So when you let your peppers turn, it really slows the plants down and you won't get as many peppers off. But if you like your red peppers, then you know, you have to let them go so that they'll turn for you. So here's our tomatoes that we got off today. Now our tomato plants gave a lot this year, and this was the patch last year. It was doing really good for us, and then a deadly blight hit it. It completely wiped it out, and we didn't have any other place to put our tomato plants in the hollow garden, so we took a chance and put them back here in the same spot again, and they grew fine for us. They look like this now because they're at the end of the season, and we did have some cooler weather come through. And we also had a drought this year. Now we were at 36 to 38 degrees where our other garden is, and it was much cooler down here in the hollow, so we're actually surprised that we even have anything left down here in the hollow garden. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.